Hi friends, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can ask your camera settings to factory defaults. Be sure to put your likes, write comments, please subscribe to our channel. And let's get started. So, first of all, you and I are going to open the phone settings. Here, after scrolling a little bit, we'll go to General. And then at the bottom, we'll find Transfer or Reset iPhone. And down here at the bottom, we'll also see Reset. By clicking on it, in order to reset the camera to factory settings, we'll need to select the very first option, which is Reset All Settings. And yes, friends, unfortunately, this is the only way you can reset your camera to factory settings, only to reset absolutely every single setting on your iPhone completely. In doing so, you won't have any of your, for example, media files, photos, videos, audio deleted, disappeared. But other settings will be reset, such as Wi-Fi passwords, phone passwords, iCloud, as well as, for example, some payment systems, Apple Pay, and so on. So if you would be happy with this option, then you choose to reset all the settings, after which you will need to maintain the password for the phone. And after that, immediately some actions will be applied to reset all settings to factory defaults. And only in this way you will be able to reset the camera settings. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you later, friends.